Hello, welcome back to DG Where's One. This I'm tasting um these um these pizza pencil things. See which one is better and which one is that needs like a hit or something that needs to improve the tasting of it or something like that. To my tasting. It's yummy. Excuse me again. Okay. This one I'm tasting pepperoni. I did gondola to see if it needs some improvement or not. It's good, but the gondola, it's like too much cheese. It needs more sauce in them. But it's good though. It's good. If you just like the cheese taste of the sauce, it's good if you want to taste them. You want to taste them yourself, it's good. It's all good in the hood. This one I'm tasting, it's it's pepperoni pizza. So let's see if it tastes like pepperoni or just the sauce. I need to know I cannot get the taste. On this one, I got even amount of sauce and pepperoni. And a little bit of cheese. I got mostly everything in this. The cheese, the pepperoni, and the sauce. Let me try let's try another one to see if it's just me or if it, no. and just Gonzola. No, you can only taste the you can only taste the sauce, that's in it. Yeah, you can only taste the sauce. You only can taste the cheese or the Gonzola. Yep. But it's good if you just want pencil with cheese. If you just want a pencil with cheese, it's good. But with the pepperoni pizza thing, you get like all of them. You get pepperoni, you get cheese, you get the sauce and stuff, and it's very good. Yeah, all the three, but with the gonzalo, you only get the cheese. You don't get the sauce. Oh, and the cheese is this filling made with real cheese. So I wonder if it's real cheese in that, in the gondola. Oh, the exactly same thing on the pepperoni pizza. One feel made with the real cheese. It's awesome that both of them have feel made with real cheese. And the bottom's is natural and artificial flavor. I mean artificial flavor. On the bottom of the pepperoni pizza, and then the real pizzeria, the cheese one stuff. So yeah, FedEx can be here before we know it and stuff. So if you want, you can send me something. P box in me down below. So send me a popular hat. I'd be appreciate, and if you want, you can send me some money. If money for me, I'd be very appreciated. Or unless you want me to send something for you, you might want to send me some money so I can sign for you. Just search USA FedEx, and then you can see everyone and how much the signing the signatures gonna be, and other stuff. Okay, if you like this, give a like, and if you haven't, there's a subscribe button, and hit the bell that notify you if I have any more videos coming out, and let's just start together. Peace, love, and we're out.